Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, February 2nd, 2017. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Kaspersky Labs, where more arrests. Another employee has been arrested at Kaspersky Labs in Russia. And also, two cybersecurity agents, basically, have been also arrested and are going to be accused of high treason. Seems that it is a story about spying for the United States in Russia, but that's something that you use quite often when you are just not happy with what happens with someone. So basically, this is something to continue and to follow. Kaspersky really being hit here by all of these allegations that something's not right in the antivirus company in Russia. Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 15025 arrived yesterday. Has few new features. We're getting into now the long run of bug fixes mostly. Um, there are some issues in the downloads. A lot of people are reporting they can't download it. I have two Insider machines here. One downloaded fine. The other one has is stuck. So it gives you an idea that yep, there probably is a problem for some people in the download phase. And of course, my review that I was supposed to do yesterday is coming up today because it took much longer than it should to have installed. Even the install itself was longer, so I didn't have time to test it enough yesterday to really post a video. And when I post a review, I want to really post a review of what I think of a working environment. So it's coming a little later today, beginning of the afternoon, probably in Eastern time. And of course, we will take a look at what's new, what's not on this Insider Preview build. Well, Microsoft is trying to lure developers to get to their Universal Windows Platform apps. And basically, they have changed the way that the Universal Windows Platform works in order for developers to have it a little more easy on how to do a Universal Windows Platform app. And also, they are making it easier because right now, one of the things that a lot of developers didn't like is very often, if you had to make a change to an app, you had to rewrite it from the bottom up. Now, the new way of actually making these apps will make it easier to do changes within the app without having to rewrite the app. So all sorts of new things to try to lure developers in making apps for Windows in the Windows Store. We know that there's a big flaw there. There's a major problem in trying to get really cool apps in the Windows Store. And I think this is one of the core problems that Microsoft needs to fix, especially if they're thinking of coming back into the mobile market. Well, tomorrow, Friday, February 3rd, is a new bug bash that will start. So if you are in the Insider program and you want to help basically the Insider team in actually making sure that Windows 10 is going to be ready for the Creators Update in April, the Bug Bash is a series of all sorts of tests and basically all sorts of apps and things that you have to do in your Windows operating system. And basically, after you've completed them, there's all sorts of you can put your your comments. You can say what you like, what you don't like. Also, if there's a bug, you can report bugs. And it's all in order to make sure that everything works fine with the Windows Insider and Windows 10 eventually. So hopefully this is going to be fun. I like the bug bash. I've done many bug bash stuff in the past, and I'm going to, of course, geek out with some really bug bash in Windows 10 Insider Preview 15025 this weekend. And I'll try to post a few videos concerning this on my Windows 10 Insiders channel. And in other news, well, Oculus ordered to pay $500 million in damages for patent infringement and contract breach. And this is a huge amount. Now, Facebook paid $2 billion for Oculus. Now there's this lawsuit that results in 500 million in damages. And basically, the company from which the contract breaches and infringements are happening is actually saying, you know what, maybe we don't want this to come to market at all. And they're kind of really stopping the sale right now of these devices. So this is a big dent in the Oculus Rift virtual reality headset. It's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen with this, but I think this is a major problem right now for also Facebook that now owns Oculus, basically. And finally, ALS patients, the if you remember the famous bucket challenge, it was very popular at some point, and it actually helped a lot in raising money and awareness to this horrible disease. And basically, some tests have started to be done on some patients that basically, in one of the most severe forms, basically you're completely locked into a body that just doesn't work and doesn't do anything anymore. And they were showing how basically they could use computers and probe the brain and answering yes or no questions. And this is quite cool because it means that these locked down patients with a little more advanced technology can maybe perform tasks and do things by only using their thinking, as the computers can analyze what you want to do. So this is pretty cool. And you know, it's one of the things that I think would be nice, at least for those people that are locked down that can't do anything. Having that possibility of interacting with the environment through computers is a really, really cool idea. And I think it's one of those great uses for technology. So let's hope that this research continues and makes it even better. So this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, February 2nd, 2017. Don't forget that today we have From the Couch, Episode 4. That will be at 4 p.m. Eastern, 2100 hours Universal Time, with my co-host, Gabriel. Hope that you will be there and watch our show. And let's hope that the streaming will go well compared to last Tuesday's show. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will continue watching our videos.